Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Polygon on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have your account set up, then just go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet application. You will be asked to log in either using your PIN or your biometrics. So just go ahead and log in and you will end up on the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, just tap on the buy button and then you will be able to search for your desired coin. Now type in Polygon and you will be able to find Polygon. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will end up on the buy screen. Now on the buy screen, you can simply select your desired currency by tapping on the top right corner. Then you can enter how much you want to spend. You will then be shown how much crypto you will receive in return. Now, since the best exchange is already selected by default, you can simply tap on the next button to proceed with buying your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Polygon on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.